Hey guys, it's Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I got a really cute project for you. This is our last bingo project. So catalog debut bingo is in my Rolling Meadows home studio tonight the 6th and the 13th. And I'm in the Chicago area. I run Stampin' Up! Events and you're always welcome. Chicago area adult stampers are always welcome to join. If you got questions about events, check out KitchenTableStamper.com/calendar or email Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. So for those of you who are not local or didn't get into bingo, it sells out fast, I want to do the projects online for you so you can craft along with us. We're going to do this adorable little pencil treat just in time for trick-or-treats. This pencil treat features our brand new ornate frames dies. This little tag is so useful. It comes from this ornate frames. It goes with the Monster Bash suite. It's a Halloween product, but you will use this so much more than just Halloween. We're also using the Harvest Hellos bundle. Harvest Hellos stamp set is 15-piece rubber cling set, and the Apple Builder Punch can be paired up with the Harvest Hellos for a 10% discount. Love that. All right, Stampin' Pads for this project: Memento Tuxedo Black, Pumpkin Pie Stampin' Pad. I've got my Tailor Tag Punch. Whenever you see a little dovetail end, that's the Tailor Tag Punch. Makes it so easy. All right, so this is the kit that the ladies are going to get for bingo, and they'll include some fun Halloween themed pencils. This basic black piece is 3.5 by 5.5. We'll go through the scoring of that in just a minute. Got a piece that's about 2.5 by 3.5 for stamping and punching our jack-o'-lantern. The soft suede is a scrap about 1.5 by 2, just to get that stem, but you need it long enough that you can hold it in the punch, you know. Designer Series paper is from Monster Bash. Both sides are gorgeous, and that's 1 by 4. I got about 9 or 10 inches of linen thread, and cut from Whisper White Scraps. There's that little ornate frames tag. Let me get our Stampin' Pads here, and we'll do some stamping. Forgot my soft suede Stampin' Pad. Add that one to the list. There's going to be a printable project sheet on the blog. If you're watching on YouTube, just follow the link below and you can get the supply list, measurements, and full color photo of this project. It's printable, so you can just take it right to your craft room with you. I mean, you can always buzz over to KitchenTableStamper.com and see everything I'm up to. Let's start with Hey There Pumpkin, and we're going to ink in Memento Tuxedo Black and stamp that on our tag. Now note that you want the tag facing left, the little hole at your left hand, if you want to follow this design exactly. And give this stamp just a second to transfer. Oh, it's a little uphill. I'll put my tag on a little wonky. Nobody will ever notice. I hope. Then the pumpkin pie. We're going to ink up our pumpkin in pumpkin pie ink. We're going to stamp that on our pumpkin pie scrap. Don't press too hard. I've had some trouble with the center section of the pumpkin blushing, and then it makes an inky spot right where his face is going to go. Got the jack-o'-lantern face. Ink that up well in Memento Tuxedo Black. Now it's a sketchy little image anyways. It's not going to fill very solid, but you still want to ink it up well and give the ink a second to transfer here. Cutie cute. So you can see it's a little bit distressed. Then soft suede and soft suede ink. I'm going to do that little stem. I'm going to clear this away and let's punch. Got my Tailor tag in my Designer Series paper. Now this has a script on the background. It is directional, so watch when you're using this paper that your script goes the right way. It's a little lopsided. So easy to fix. Love that punch. All right, now our pumpkin. And the stem. See what I mean? You need just a little bit longer scrap so you can hold on to it. It's a bitty piece. All right. I'm gonna grab the Simply Score tool. Let's just slide these bits to the side. You want your basic black piece in on the 3.5-inch side, and you're gonna score at 1/2, 3/4, 2, and 2 1/4. Then rotate 90 degrees and score at 1/4. All right, let's clear this away and work the scores with the bone folder. Okay, all those score lines are worked. Let's cut out this tiny little rectangle here. Do it at like a little angle. Cut out little darts. Your box will come together so much smoother if you just cut out that score line. Tiny little darts. See that? I'm gonna do that for these tabs at the bottom also. And then up here, we're gonna cut off just a little angle from the score to the edge. Now this is the front of our box. So what we're going to do is at the bottom tab on the front of our box, get that little dart out of there, we're gonna fold up and add tear and tape along the fold. And then we're going to also add tear and tape down this 1/2-inch glue panel. Got my take your pick tool here. Makes it so much easier to get this adhesive started. Now, your bottom tab is only 1/4 inch, so fold up the excess tape. You're gonna bring your glue tab in and square up this box, a little rectangle box here. I just go corner to corner at the top and at the bottom. And then once I've got that lined up, I'll flatten and burnish. Now we're gonna bring the side tabs in. We're gonna bring the back of the box forward and the front of the box back. I'm gonna make sure that you keep everything real square here at the bottom. It's easy for this rectangle to turn into a rhombus. Is that what it is? A tilty rectangle, a rhombus? Okay, geometry teachers. I think I need a lesson. I'm using my bone folder just to give that tear and tape a little extra burnish. Now let's pop our pencils into the box. I love this. This box is perfect for 4 pencils. And let's decorate. So I got this little designer series paper piece, and we're going to just gently curl it, and then we're going to glue it to the front of our box. I'm going to use some multi-purpose liquid glue here. You're not going all the way to that dovetail with your glue. Before you set that down, you need your linen thread. And you're going to bring the linen thread around the designer series paper. So just trap it underneath there. Now multi-purpose liquid glue, we're gonna do our pumpkin stem. So wide end gets a little dab of multi-purpose liquid glue. We need some dimensionals here, so I'm gonna take a couple. I wanna leave some room for the tag. And then we'll pop our jack-o'-lantern on those dimensionals. And tie a knot with your linen thread behind the little pumpkin stem. Where's our Hey There Pumpkin? Got my Hey There Pumpkin tag. We're going to slide that onto the linen thread and come up and tie a little bow. Hey there, pumpkin. All right, pop off any excess. And if you're like me and you have to control all things paper, I'm going to add a tiny little dimensional up at the top of my pumpkin here. And then I'm going to adhere my tag to that dimensional. So cute. Hey there, pumpkin. And the harvest hellos. Let me bring in this other design here. Such cuties. All right, if you've got any questions about stamping with me, Marisa at Kitchen Table Stamper in the Chicago area, if you've got questions about the new holiday catalog, Harvest to Lowe's bundle, if there's anything I can do to help you stay crafty, email Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. To shop from the new holiday catalog, you can click on over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.